How many hours do you sleep and why? Do you think you rest while you sleep? No, not at all. Because then all parts of your body, such as heart, lungs, blood, nails, hair, etc., be working properly. So there is no rest. But to be honest, we do feel rest after sleep. Why? A person says, I'll not sleep as I want to do something significant in my life. While others says, I'd rather go mad if I don't sleep. Some can't sleep without sleeping pills, while some other even sleep at catcher of train. So what are the reasons? Let's have a clear-cut discussion on this topic. Remember, sleep is a divine law. We all spend about 8 hours out of every 24 hours or 1/3 of our entire life in sleep. Right? This is an inevitable law of life. This applies to the animal and vegetable kingdom as well. Sleep is essential for peace of mind and health of body. Lack of sleep can cause irritation, depression, and mental disorders. Insomnia precedes psychotic breakdowns. Your tired brain longs for sleep too hungrily to sacrifice anything to get it. Many people who have ever fallen asleep at catcher of train or at the wheels of an automobile can testify it. Many sleep-deprived people have poor memory and lack proper coordination. They become befuddled, confused, and disoriented. It's said we get tired during the day, so we go to sleep to rest the body. And that a repetitive process takes place while we sleep. But not at all. Nothing rests in sleep. To be honest, your heart, lungs, and all vital organs be functioning properly while you are sleeping. If you have had the food prior to sleep, the food is digested and assimilated. Even your skin secretes perspiration, and your nails and hair continue to grow. Your subconscious mind never rests in sleep. It is always active and controlling all your vital parts. Dr. John Bigelow, a famous research authority on sleep, said, the main reason why we sleep is because the nobler part of our soul is united by abstraction to our higher nature and becomes a participant in the wisdom and foreknowledge of the God. He also said we get perfect spiritual development while we are separated from the phenomenal world in sleep. Our conscious mind gets involved with vexation, strife, and contentions of the day, and it's very necessary to withdraw periodically from sense evidence and objective world and communicate silently with the inner wisdom of our subconscious mind. Lack of sleep can cause you to become irritable, moody, and depressed. Dr. George Stevenson says all human beings need a minimum of 6 hours sleep to be healthy, while most people need more. Remember, you are spiritually recharged during sleep, and enough sleep is essential to produce joy and vitality in life. Sleep deprivation can attack on your memory and perception. If you are worried that you will not wake up on time, recommend to your subconscious mind prior to sleep the exact time you wanna get up, and it will awaken you. It needs no clock. Your subconscious never sleeps. It's always on the job. It controls all your vital functions. Forgive yourself and everyone else before you go to sleep. When troubled by the vexation and strife of the day, still the wheels of your mind and think about the wisdom and intelligence lodged in your subconscious mind, which is ready to respond to you. This will give you peace, strength, and confidence. If you have ever thought that sleep doesn't matter all that much, think again, because it actually matters a great deal. So what are your tips for a great night's sleep? Let me know in the comment below.